Ese no es pozole, que no los engañen, por favor. No, 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 esta vieja salió muy mal de la cabeza. Ah, no, por favor. No, estás haciendo chili beans, esto no es pozole.
Hey, listen up, everybody.
King.
Churro.
Hey y'all, so I've always been a huge Rachel Ray fan, mostly a crush. I remember back when I was in Iraq and I got the FHM magazine where she was in it. You know, and I also feed my dogs a Rachel Ray Nutrish dog food. My wife even refers to her as my girlfriend. But she has lately been culturally appropriating like other people's food. Like I remember she did something about pozole. Now she's doing something with chicken adobo.
Now it's gonna get spicy and good.
Why she suddenly sound like that?
It's gonna get spicy and good.
What kind of ghost possessed her? Is it the ghost of bad cooking? Because adobo not supposed to be spicy.
Amount of soy, or I'm using tamari.
Tamari? What is tamari? Just use regular soy sauce. Or if you want to impress Filipino people, use Silver Swan brand.
To reserve half of the chilies.
Chili wrong.
The dish.
Even if chili correct, why are you using jalapeno? That Mexican. If you want to use chili, use Filipino chili, siling labuyo.
Another whole bulb of garlic. Crush it and throw it into chicken stock.
What?
We're gonna
No, you don't boil garlic. Garlic rice, you just fry the garlic, fry the rice and put together. That's it. You're boiling garlic.
Rather than in water for the extra flavor.
In any cooking show, if Uncle Roger see rice going into saucepan, I know it's not gonna end well.
And I'm going to add coriander seed.
Coriander seed? No! What the hell? Why are you putting random shit into your rice? You put coriander seed in like this when the rice done cooking. You're not gonna be able to take the seed out. You're eating fluffy rice and then suddenly you got crunchy coriander seed in there. Who wants that? You're gonna break your tooth. What should...
of toasted sesame.
No.
Gives it a great extra crunch.
Oh my god, niece and nephew. Look at this rice. That rice looks disgusting. A clumpy rice with raw boiled garlic and coriander seed lying around. Uncle Roger's so upset I have to put my leg down from chair.
Sprinkle.
You don't need sesame seed. You need Jesus.
You need Jesus.
And anything that adds texture and flavor, I say go for it.
No, don't just...
And anything that adds texture and flavor, I say go for it.
What is white people obsession with texture?
Nice! What?
Stop clapping. Stop clapping. How they get this audience in?
Oh, do you want to check out professional chef destroying rice? Come, I got just a show for you.
The video such promising start, and then niece Rachel just lose her way with the rice.
I don't know where she got the idea to put jalapenos in adobo, but here's an easy tutorial of how you really make it. And now, let me tell you one thing, guys. Please don't disrespect my Filipino dish by putting kikoman in there. Make sure you're using Silver Swan soy sauce. It's from the Philippines, alright? Buy Pinoy, that's what you gotta do. You gotta buy Pinoy. What are your thoughts on Rachel Ray doing what she does with all these food? Also, what are your thoughts on Uncle Raja? Anyway, it's your boy King Churro. Thank you for watching. Remember that you're loved, and remember to be great every day, because tomorrow is never promised. Peace out, y'all.
Every day you wake up, you got a decision to make. To go right or left, up or down, right or wrong. At the end of the day, you make the decision. Nobody forces you. So make the right decision. Make moves, set the goal. Stop making excuses, man. And if it look like a duck, walk like a duck, and sound like a duck, it's a duck. Stop guessing. Just do the right thing. You heard? You hear me? I love y'all. Stay positive. Love one another.
All right.
I know exactly why y'all be sick. Y'all take y'all ass out of town if you want to. Take your ass out the country. Auntie just spit in that bitch. Go ahead, get out the country, get you some of that squeezed cheese sauce. Look at that, right there. Get you some of that wrist sauce. Some of that hand dip. Look. Yeah, I know y'all niggas want a little bite of this. A little footy pizza feet, bitch. Yeah. Dip that in there. Put your hand in the grease. Fuck it. Come on over here. Let me see what y'all finna make today with them dirty ass fingertips. That nigga just made a bowl of doodle balls. What's this? Okay, we got them peppers. Okay, a little pepper, a little ham. No gloves. The t-shirt old. Come on. Give me a bowl of it. Fuck it. Oh, wipe your mouth on it. Okay. Okay, that's some mashed up. What the fuck are you making? I don't want it no more.